What's the matter? Huh?
Tow the car for what? Wow, this how you people operate?
You can tow it if you want. The person responsible for the car
This is crazy. People are criminal. People don't have a life. People are criminals. That's crazy.
Tonight, a routine evening takes an unexpected turn when an individual is confronted by law enforcement over a parked car. What starts as simple questions quickly escalates into tension as accusations of wrongdoing and demands for identification clash with claims of innocence. The encounter raises concerns about profiling, harassment, and the boundaries of authority, showing how a calm situation can spiral under pressure. Witnesses argue, supervisors are called, and emotions run high in a public space. This story highlights the delicate balance between law enforcement and citizens' rights.
Ready for it. Never. Ooh. Never.
You guys are drinking?
What's going on?
Why you guys drinking?
What's the matter? Are you drinking? Are you drinking? Excuse me. Back into my car. Back into my car. You should your car gotta be yours. Why the car gotta be yours? What? Maybe yeah, I'm out of it. I'm playing music.
One is on, right?
Wow.
It's parked.
But it's still on, right?
So what happened? It's parked. Look up the law.
That's the debate today.
Yeah, right? It's parked. So what happened?
Wow.
Have a good night, sir.
Peacefully.
Have a good night.
Peacefully.
ID for what? What you need ID for?
Here we go with the ID.
I don't answer questions.
Ex-police officer Ferguson 872.
What you coming to me for now?
Wow.
I don't answer questions. So what's the matter? Huh?
Tow the car for what? Wow, this how you people
Tow it if you
operate?
want. You can tow it if you want. The person responsible for the car.
This is crazy. People are criminal. People don't have a life. People are criminals. That's crazy.
Let me get my phone.
Right.
Let's tow it.
Right.
Let me get my phone. I want to see you tow this bitch.
Because they're upset that people is just standing here, just being peaceful. Yeah.
Okay, just turn the car. Let's turn it off. Let's turn it off. Let's break the car. Because the thing is mine. Let's go. What you saying to me now? You're gonna drink what? What's your name? What's your name? Huh? What's your daddy? What's your badge number? What's your name and your badge number? What you need?
This is just ridiculous. Yeah, here we go with the profiling. As an ex-police officer myself, here we go.
You're a police officer.
I'm an ex-police officer. That's not your business. I could say that because I did that.
I need your ID.
For
That's
what?
not your business.
You're not getting my ID. What crime?
Right.
What's your reasonable articulable suspicion
Right.
that I commit a crime? You coming up to me talking about you need ID. Where's
You
your
wanted to know
sergeant?
if we're thirsty,
Where's your
if we was
supervisor?
drinking,
Call your
right.
sergeant or your supervisor.
Right.
That's what I need.
Get him out here.
I need your
You're
ID.
not
me
going to get
speak
ID
to
from
him.
me until you
Right.
tell me what crime I commit.
Your ID in your car.
My car?
Yeah.
What car is that?
Your car.
I never said that was my
That's
car.
what you told me. That's what you said.
Wow.
I don't know what you're
There's a video.
talking about.
Okay.
I don't know what you're talking about. So go ahead with that now.
All right. I need your ID.
And now get my ID,
All
sir.
right, so you're
Get
not
your
gonna
sergeant. Get your sergeant. Hold this to me.
Yeah,
Hold this to me.
get
You're
your
gonna go
sergeant.
Hold this to me. Hold
You're
this to
not doing that.
Hold this to me. Hold this to
Nah.
me. Hold this to me.
This is
Hold it.
crazy. Well,
Hold it. Hold
you
it.
already know.
Hold it. Hold
Lawsuit.
it. Hold it.
That's it.
Thank
Don't call
you.
the
Don't
attorney.
worry.
That's it.
What you?
That's it.
What you?
I'm an
get your
ex-police
sergeant.
officer,
Get your
so I know
sergeant.
what's going on here.
I'm
This gonna
understand
be
more.
some bullshit.
Get your
ID for
sergeant.
what?
Get
What's
your
the
sergeant.
crime?
Get your sergeant.
What's the crime?
Can I
What
get
crime is he
sergeant on scene?
suspected of?
Can I get a
So
sergeant
why is
on
it
scene?
only him you're requesting
I need a
ID?
sergeant. Request your sergeant.
Come on, you doing some
Yeah.
bullshit right
Don't
now.
stop.
Get your sergeant. You doing this is harassment.
Harassment
This
and
is
harassment.
profiling
Thank you.
and harassment.
Think about it.
We're
Can I
not
get your
doing
sergeant
nothing.
on
That's
scene?
crazy.
What you mean stop talking? For what?
Wow.
Stop talking.
Disrespectful. You a human being just like us. Nobody. No.
Wait, hold on.
No.
Relax.
No.
Get
Be
your
respectful.
sergeant. Ask for their
That's
sergeant.
not how you operate. Come on.
Don't worry, I asked for their sergeant.
That's crazy. This is profiling.
How can
No,
you
because y'all don't need to be doing this.
Coming up to
This
me.
is
Don't
uncalled
ask me
for.
nothing. I need your sergeant.
And your ego is off the chain. As an ex-police officer, your ego is off the chain.
Sergeant, please.
This You can't talk to him. You can't talk to him.
Tell him to de-escalate.
Squad, you can't talk to him. He's off the chain. What he need an ID for?
Don't touch me.
Come on. Talk to this guy. Squad, talk to this guy. Talk to this guy. Talk to your squad. Y'all know this is not right. Talk to your squad. Come on, this is crazy. You is crazy. You all up in his face because he don't want to give you ID. Come on, this is ridiculous.
My car?
This is ridiculous. You profiling right now. Talk to your squad. Talk to your squad. Let him back down. ID for what? Come on. I'm an ex-police officer myself from the islands. You understand? This is not illegal. I'm chilling here with my... Why you want an ID? Because he come here. Y'all drinking? Come on. It's ridiculous. Can't even have a fiance nighttime. It's crazy. Right. Y'all need to talk to this squad here. He need to back down. This is profiling. You doing too much for no reason. Nah, because nobody listening.
Hold on, babe. Hold on.
We can stop screaming, but let's talk rational.
You threaten me with arrest. It's fine. We got it.
Nah, this is crazy. Back your ego down, squad. What's up? Back your ego down. Nah. Have a good night, officer. Thank you. This is ridiculous. Peacefully.
Yes, sir.
Decent people.
Sir, I'm on the public sidewalk. All you had to do was keep going. You jumped out talking about, oh, this your car, you're idling.
And what y'all drinking? That bully shit.
Did you see me?
Come on, we watch this shit every day. I've been living this shit 5 years of my damn life.
I never said
You don't
that.
go around treating people like that.
No.
Ridiculous. Ridiculous. Ridiculous.
Prove it's my car.
Ridiculous.
You stupid.
Ridiculous. I'm sure this is not what they trained you.
Can you stop?
Nah, you need to talk to him. For what?
For being disorderly.
Because you're being attacked. No, don't push me. Don't push me. Don't push me. Come on. Don't push me. You know you want some bullshit. Come on. Nobody here is a criminal.
Hello? I want to know what
Huh? Oh, wait. No, wait.
Oh my goodness.
What crime did I commit? Are you sergeant? Okay, so
This
what crime
is
did I
just
commit?
ridiculous.
I know that's not my vehicle.
This is just ridiculous.
That is not my vehicle. This is not my vehicle. So, for what crime though? That is not my vehicle. For what crime? I am the blind number back. Hold my phone, please.
Give me your wallet.
No.
No.
Yo, what are you doing?
No. What?
After a long, intense exchange, the confrontation finally begins to de-escalate. The individual repeatedly clarifies their innocence, stressing that the vehicle isn't theirs and no crime has occurred. Supervisors are called, officers step back, and the situation slowly cools down. Despite the frustration and public spectacle, the encounter ends without arrests, leaving viewers to reflect on the importance of respectful communication, personal rights, and how easily routine interactions can turn stressful. What do you think about this story? Share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real stories that matter.